Hey everyone, welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today's all about the buzzworthy OnePlus 12, loaded with killer specs and cool looks. It's rocking the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a beefy battery, and yes, wireless charging's back. But, with a price tag of 64,999 rupees, is it worth leaving your OnePlus 11 behind? Let's find out. Design-wise, the OnePlus 12 is here to impress, flaunting a vibrant green and a classic matte black. It's tough too, thanks to Corning Gorilla Glass 5. A bit heavier and thicker than the OnePlus 11, but there's a good reason for that. Wrapping up, the OnePlus 12 brings some serious upgrades. Despite the price jump from the OnePlus 11, the boost in power, battery, and design could be worth it. What's your take? Hit us up in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech scoop. Catch you in the next video. Keep being awesome, tech fans.